Hey friends, if you wish to open temporary files on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. But before showing the location, I'll show you what happens in a typical case. So let's say that I wish to download Google Chrome. So I'll go to the website, I'll click on download Chrome, and I'll get this pop-up here. Okay, what do you want to do with Chrome setup? If I click on open, then I'm opening a temporary file. Now, why is it a temporary file? Because unless I specifically save it on my computer, it is not saved as a permanent file. We can click on this folder button to check its location. Okay, it says unconfirmed download, which means that it is not completely downloaded. And to download it completely, you'll have to click on the save button. Now I'll click on this download button once again to show you what is going to happen. Click on download. It is still a temporary file. Just click on open and you will be able to open this file. Okay, this is the typical process. Now let's say that you missed on it. So where would you find this file? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command temp and hit enter. You will need administrator permissions to access the folder, and you will be able to access all the files here. So this is how temporary files are stored on your system, and you can access it using the temp folder or the percentage temp folder. So for that, press the Windows key and the R key together, type percentage temp percentage and hit enter. So this is another version of temporary files that you can notice, and you will find Google Chrome here. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.